Hello, and welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. A friend of mine recently complained that the prices of the laundry scent boosters have gone up a lot, and she couldn't believe how expensive they had gotten. So I was like, well, why are you buying that? You could probably make that for pennies on the dollar with things that you already have around the house. So she said, how about you make a video showing everybody how to make it so much cheaper? So today I'm going to show you in 5 minutes how to make laundry scent booster that's free of dangerous chemicals and that is with things that you probably already have around your house. So as we say around here, let's go down the shore. Welcome back. I'm going to show you how to make laundry scent booster in 5 minutes. All you need is 1.5 cups of Epsom salts, which you probably have underneath your sink, a half a cup of baking soda, which you probably have in your pantry, and essential oils, which you might not have, but I'll put a link below to the ones that I purchased. So I'm going to use lavender and bergamot, just because I like the smells. And you also need an airtight container to keep this in. This laundry scent booster will be good for 1 year. However, it probably won't last a year because you'll probably use it up before then. You can double and triple the size of this recipe if you'd like so that you don't have to make it as often, but you don't have to use this in every load if you don't want to. However, most people do. And you only add 1/4 cup into each load. If you want to be more self-sufficient, you can buy wool balls, which last a very, very long time. I can't remember exactly how long. I'll have to look that up for you guys, and I'll put it in the comments below when I upload the video. But if you get a wool ball and you add essential oils to that wool ball, it'll help scent your clothes in the dryer as well. So let's get going. We're going to add the 1.5 cups of Epsom salts, the half a cup of baking soda. Now you're supposed to add 20 to 30 drops of essential oils. So I'm going to do half lavender. So that's about 15 drops. And then I'm going to add 15 drops of bergamot. And all you do is mix this together with a whisk. Once you think it's all combined, all you have to do now is pour it into your airtight container, which I've already labeled for myself. And that's it. You got laundry scent booster. So all you need is 1/4 cup per load. You would put in the laundry scent booster first, then the clothes, then the laundry detergent. And when the cycle is complete, you will smell the difference in the clothes. It's amazing. And there's no dangerous chemicals in here. Look at the ingredients on the stuff that you purchase in the store. You probably can't even pronounce half of the chemicals that are in that bottle. So for pennies on the dollar, make yourself some laundry scent booster from home and save yourself some money. And Rocco has been patiently waiting on the couch while I made this video for you guys. So please send him some hearts down in the comments below. Also, let me know in the comments below if there's anything else that you would like me to make a video on. And for all of you who subscribed to the channel, thank you for your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get all future videos. Rocco, you've been waiting so patiently to play. Now that mommy's done with the video, do you want to go outside and play with your ball launcher?